My channel is all about investing, money, lifestyle, like with that just kind of all encompassing about personal finance and just being financially literate. So one thing that I've noticed, and I said in one of my first videos, is you know me, whenever I find something new, I try to like tell everyone about around me. I try to teach people around me. But loads of young people are really just disinterested about investing. And I would also say, like, even just kind of judging my community and YouTube as well, I think girls are a lot less like willing to get into this, or just like why do you think that is, and what do you think would get them more involved into investing?
Do you know what it is? I feel like I might go a bit off topic here.
It's completely fine.
Society is very get rich quick. We need to do this quick. Let's go get this money now. People nowadays don't want to wait for anything. And to be fair, with technology, we actually don't have to wait for anything. Like, we can get anything with a click of a finger. So I feel like our generation, so with investing, people need to realise that it's not putting money in, you're going to see instant results. And I do feel like that may be one thing that stops people, because it is a process. It's time consuming. You might not be seeing any returns straight away. It might take a while. And people probably think like, oh, you know, I don't want to do that, or they're too scared to put their money in something that maybe they don't actually understand.
I see.
They'd rather than I probably buy something nice than go and put it into something that eventually will make them more. And just, I feel like it's just lack of knowledge. Like, I'm 25 and I've only just started this journey. Had I have known about it before, when, you know, I didn't probably have as many bills to pay, I would have been putting my money into something.
That's a video that I want to make. Hindsight, it's just like, oh, if we had known about this sooner, how rich would we be now?
Honestly, if I knew half the things that I knew maybe whilst I was at uni, I might not have been in this position that I am now. Who knows? But I just think, all the knowledge that I'm only just finding out, I wish I'd known.
But one thing that is good, that you've taken the step now, and even though it feels so easy to feel like, oh man, we're so old now, look at us, we're 25. But really, the fact is that loads of people don't start this until they're about like 50. You know, people are so used to the workplace, or you know, the normal system taking care of them, and then until they realize, oh crap, my pension barely covers anything, or I don't even have one, you know. And that's when people will be like, oh, exactly, you know.
No, I definitely, it's a hard one. I think before as well, we're young, we're free, we don't need to worry about money as much. We've got time to save, and you know, we've got time to think about our future. And I feel like maybe when you get to 25 and you start to sit down and think, do you know what? I want to be in a better position than what I am now, or my wages just aren't quite cutting it. What can I do to maybe get a bit of extra money, and just think about your future? This is maybe the age where you sit down and realise,
no, 100%.
I need to do something.
That's true.